Do you want to learn how to use affidavits to defend yourself legally? So I reviewed already the part one where it has the affidavit of truth and the cover letter that explains what happened and what needs to be done to correct the issue. So if you have a legal issue, you can send this part to see if they can rebut it. That's what you do. It's an affidavit of truth. You state your truths there and see if they can rebut it. If they cannot, you can include laws in there to say you're violating this under this law, you're violating this under this law. If they cannot rebut it, it stands as truth. So here it's like you can also have a fee schedule to determine what damages are owed to you. So here is what the thing is, that what they did to you, the breach, the penalty, and your authority is a statute or code. You can put that in your fee schedule. If it is a public official, you can ask them for the oath of office. So that's part one. Part two is you're going to send them, you give them 21 days. If they haven't responded, you send them the second notice and a true bill in commerce, because, right, they violated you, they need to pay up damages. That's how it works in the legal system. So, and if you wait after a while, if they still haven't done it, then they're in default. There's a final notice, they're in default, and that's the private administrative process, which is done all the time. Companies do it to people when they don't pay. That's just the way it is. The next part is once you get them in default, since you sent them a bill already, you're going to tell them again, hey, now I got you in default, it's time for you to pay. So it's like you give them 30 days, 60 days, and then 90 days, and you send them the bill every time. And that is the regular accounting cycle that these places, that most people go by in America. Then the next part is after that, if you've done all that, you've kept all your paperwork, you can go and do the lien. This is a property lien, so if they haven't paid you by now you want to, they owe you this debt because you got in default judgment. So this is a property lien that can be done on bank accounts, assets. You file the paperwork with the court and the county recorder to show them that you got them in default. Then it's up to them to approve it and get the lien filed. And each county has their own way of doing it. So you will have to file your paperwork with the court. It could be a clerk court. It depends on their process. You just have to let them know, look, I got them in default. I sent them the notices. Now I need to file the lien. What is your process? And they usually have instructions. So you just got to go down there and ask them. They'll give them to you, and you just follow them to get paid. And if you want the templates and everything, you want the whole package, link in bio. Thanks. Bye.